Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair EarFun Free Pro 2nd generation with any Windows PC or Windows laptop. So first of all, just remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case, then charge them for like 20 minutes before the pairing, and if you connect them to any devices, just remember to disconnect them from these devices, and then open this charging case. Click and hold the left and the right earbud until indicator on this left earphone starts blinking like that. Right now we can release and keep that case open, by the way, do not close it. Put it close to your device, then smoothly move for the system settings. Right now go for the Bluetooth and devices. Click on the switcher to activate Bluetooth, then click to add device and select Bluetooth. Now just wait until you find your earbuds on the list. As you can see, we can find them at the bottom of the list. That's the EarFun Free Pro 2nd generation, so click on them once. Accept by tapping connect, and when you are successfully connected, you can also check for the sound settings and be sure that we are selected as the output and the input device. As you can see, we have to switch our microphone to EarFun Free Pro. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.